Welcome to ClearTask. Today, we will format your text into 3 columns in Microsoft Word. First, select the text you want to format. The fastest way to highlight your entire document is by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. With your text highlighted, navigate to the Layout tab located at the top of the Word interface. In the Page Setup section, click on the Columns drop-down menu. Select the option labeled 3. Your text is now instantly divided into 3 even columns across the page. To customize the layout further and reduce the gap between your columns, keep your text selected. Go back to the Columns drop-down menu and click on More Columns at the bottom of the list. A new dialog box will appear. Locate the spacing option, decrease the value to fit your layout preference, and click OK. The blank space between the columns is now reduced, giving your document a clean, professional finish. That concludes the process. Subscribe to the ClearTask channel for more precise software guides.